Welcome back to the channel, all you Zontes maniacs. As the new Zontes 368G was launched in China last month, it has taken Zontes no time at all to update their 368 scooter range to the latest specifications, with electronic throttle linked to traction control and cruise control, new third-generation keyless phone control. They are lighter than the previous model, with improved new front and rear suspension, heated independent front and rear seat and handlebars, front and rear cameras to boot. The list goes on and on. I am working on the release videos, which will go live on the channel on the 1st of November, so stay tuned to the channel. If you're new to the channel, this is the only place on YouTube where you will find all you need to know regarding looking after your Zontes ride. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on new content uploads.